Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Madrasa public exam results. First, understand that results are typically released online and sometimes through physical institutions. We'll cover the primary ways to find your scores, ensuring you have all the necessary information. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly, whether you're checking for yourself or assisting someone else. Let's get started with the most common method. The most common way to check your Madrasa public exam results is online. You'll need to visit the official website of your specific Madrasa board. Look for a prominent results or public examination results section, usually on the home page. Once there, you will typically be prompted to select your class and enter your unique registration number. After submitting these details, your results should appear on the screen, ready for you to view and download. While online checking is convenient, there are other ways to obtain your results. Your Madrasa institution often receives the results directly and can provide them to you. In some regions, you might be able to get your results via SMS by sending a specific message format to a designated number. Remember, the online results are usually provisional. Your official mark sheet will be issued by your Madrasa or school authorities at a later date. Once you have your results, it's important to download and print a copy for your records. This provisional result is useful for immediate reference. If you're not satisfied with your scores in one or more subjects, many boards offer a revaluation process where your exam papers can be reviewed. Check your board's official website for details on how to apply for revaluation. And speaking of reading, you can explore new books and deals by checking the description for a special link, along with other helpful resources. Congratulations on completing your exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.